Buying an apartment in Vienna for less than the price of a new car? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're exploring 8 apartments in one of Europe's most beautiful cities, with prices starting at just €24,900 and going up to €47,982. Some need a complete renovation, others are ready to move into, and a few are deals that might completely surprise you. If you've ever dreamed of owning a property in Vienna without spending hundreds of thousands of euros, this video is for you.
Let's begin our countdown at number 8. Our first property is located in Vienna's 23rd district, Leasing, and is priced at €47,982. This one-room apartment offers nearly 19 square meters of space and could be an excellent option for someone looking to enter Vienna's property market without spending a fortune. Inside, you'll find a bright room with natural light, parquet flooring, district heating, and even a water connection, giving you plenty of flexibility to create a cozy living space, a home office, or a creative studio. The apartment is located in a well-maintained building built in 2005, complete with an elevator, wheelchair access, and very low monthly maintenance costs of just €36. Another big advantage is the location. Leasing is known for combining the convenience of city life with a quieter atmosphere, offering parks, restaurants, shopping centers, excellent public transportation, and easy access to downtown Vienna. If you're searching for an affordable property in one of Europe's most desirable capitals, this could be a very interesting opportunity. But remember, this is only number 8. As we continue, the apartments become even more affordable. At number 7, we have a property that's a little different from the others on this list. Located in Vienna's 10th district, Favoriten, this one-room apartment is priced at just €39,000 and offers just over 30 square meters of living space inside a classic Viennese building dating back to 1890. Now, here's the important part. This apartment is currently rented on an unlimited lease, which means it isn't intended for someone looking to move in right away. Instead, it's designed for investors who want to own property in Vienna and potentially benefit from long-term value appreciation while the apartment remains occupied. The building is well maintained, and the location is one of its biggest strengths. Within just a few minutes' walk, you'll find supermarkets, schools, public transportation, and even a subway station, making it a highly connected area of the city. The apartment is located on the 3rd floor and has low operating costs of around €103 per month, while the current rental income is modest due to the existing tenancy. Properties like this are often purchased by investors who take a long-term approach rather than looking for immediate returns. So, if you're searching for your next home, this probably isn't the right choice. But if you're looking to enter Vienna's real estate market with a relatively small investment and you're willing to think long-term, this apartment could be a very interesting opportunity. And remember, we're only at number 7. The prices keep dropping from here. At number 6, we have another affordable investment opportunity in Vienna's 10th district, Favoriten, with an asking price of just €39,000. This apartment offers nearly 30 square meters of living space, but unlike the previous property, it features 1.5 rooms, giving you a slightly more flexible layout. It's located on the first floor of a well-preserved historic building dating back to 1890, combining classic Viennese architecture with a convenient urban location. Just like the previous apartment, this property is currently rented under an open-ended lease. That means it's aimed primarily at investors rather than buyers looking to move in immediately. The neighborhood is another major advantage. Within just a few minutes on foot, you'll find supermarkets, schools, public transportation, and a subway station, making it easy to get anywhere in Vienna. Monthly operating costs are approximately 102 euros, and while the current rental income is modest, many investors see properties like this as an opportunity to build long-term value in one of Europe's most stable real estate markets. If your goal is to generate immediate rental income, this may not be the perfect fit. But if you're thinking years ahead and want to own property in Vienna at a relatively low entry price, this apartment is certainly worth considering. And we're only getting started because the next properties on our list become even more affordable. At number 5, we're heading to Vienna's 17th district, Hernals, where this charming studio apartment is on the market for 39,000 euros. Located inside a beautifully renovated historic building from around 1900, this apartment offers just over 17 square meters of living space and is in good condition, featuring parquet floors, a fitted kitchen, and gas heating. Although it's compact, it could be an ideal starter apartment, a city getaway, or a long-term investment. However, there's one important detail. You won't be able to move in right away because the apartment is currently rented under an unlimited lease. The building itself has been renovated while preserving its classic Viennese character, giving you the charm of traditional architecture with the comfort of a well-maintained property. Another major advantage is the location. Hernals is a popular residential district known for its quiet streets, cafes, restaurants, supermarkets, parks, and excellent public transportation. From nearby Ottakring station, you can reach Vienna's historic city center in about 13 minutes. Monthly operating costs are very low, at just over 33 euros, making this one of the most affordable properties to maintain on today's list. So, if you're looking for a relatively inexpensive way to own property in Vienna and don't mind having a tenant already in place, this could be another interesting investment opportunity. But don't go anywhere, because we're getting closer to the cheapest apartments in today's countdown. At number 4, we have another investment property in Vienna's 10th district, Favoriten. But this one comes with something the previous apartments didn't have. For 37,700 euros, you get a one-room apartment with just over 29 square meters of living space, plus plans already approved for a private 6.5 square meter terrace and a 24 square meter garden. That outdoor space makes this property stand out from many other affordable apartments in Vienna and could significantly increase its appeal in the future. The apartment is located in a well-maintained historic building, dating back to 1890, and Just like some of the previous properties on our list, it is currently rented under an open-ended lease. That means it's designed primarily for investors looking for long-term appreciation, rather than someone planning to move in immediately. The location is another strong advantage. Shops, supermarkets, schools, public transportation, and a subway station are all within walking distance, giving residents quick access to the rest of Vienna. Monthly operating costs are approximately 99 euros, keeping ownership relatively affordable while you hold the property as an investment. What really makes this apartment interesting is its future potential. A private garden and terrace are features that are rarely found in properties at this price point, especially in a city like Vienna. And now we're getting close to the top 3, where the prices become even lower. We're down to the top 3, and at number 3, we have another interesting investment opportunity in Vienna's Favoriten district. With an asking price of just 36,400 euros, this one-room apartment offers nearly 28 square meters of living space inside a well-maintained historic building dating back to 1890. Just like the previous property, it's currently rented under an open-ended lease, making it a better fit for investors looking for long-term appreciation rather than someone searching for a home to move into right away. What makes this apartment particularly attractive is its future potential. The property already has approved plans for a private 7.5 square meter terrace and a nearly 24 square meter garden, giving future owners the opportunity to add valuable outdoor living space without going through a lengthy approval process. The apartment is located in one of Vienna's best connected neighborhoods. Supermarkets, schools, public transportation, and the subway are all just a short walk away, making the location convenient for everyday life. Monthly operating costs are under 94 euros, helping keep ownership expenses relatively low, while the property remains an investment. For buyers who believe in long-term growth, apartments with private outdoor space can become especially attractive over time, making this one a property worth keeping an eye on. We're almost at the number 1 spot, and this apartment is one of the most affordable opportunities on today's list. For just 33,600 euros, this property is located in Vienna's 12th district, Meidling, a well-connected neighborhood with shops, cafes, restaurants, schools, supermarkets, and excellent public transportation, just a short walk away. The apartment offers 14 square meters of living space inside a classic Viennese building from around 1900. Now, it's important to know that it does require a complete renovation, but that's exactly what makes it such an interesting opportunity. Unlike several of the previous apartments we've seen today, this one is completely vacant and available immediately. That means you can renovate it exactly the way you want and decide whether to live in it yourself or keep it as an investment. Monthly operating costs are only around 50 euros, helping to keep ownership expenses relatively low even while the renovation is underway. This certainly isn't a move-in ready apartment, but for buyers with a vision, it offers the chance to transform a small space into a personalized home right in the Austrian capital. And now, we've reached the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 apartment is the cheapest property in today's countdown.
All right, we've reached number 1. The cheapest apartment on today's list costs just 24,900 euros. Yes, you heard that correctly. For less than the price of many new cars, you could own an apartment in Vienna. Located in the Favoriten district, this one-room apartment offers nearly 12 square meters of living space inside a charming historic building dating back to 1888. Now, it may be small, but what really makes this property stand out is its location. You're just a 5-minute walk from the U1 subway line at Reumannplatz, with Vienna's central station, shops, restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, and everyday services all close by. The area has also become increasingly attractive thanks to the nearby university campus, making it appealing not only for residents but also for investors looking for long-term demand. The apartment is currently rented under an open-ended lease, and according to the listing, short-term rentals such as Airbnb are also permitted within the project, offering additional possibilities depending on the individual unit and local regulations. So, while this isn't a luxury apartment, it is an incredibly affordable way to own property in one of Europe's most desirable capitals. Finding an apartment in Vienna for under 25,000 euros is something you don't see every day, and that's exactly why this property takes the number 1 spot on today's countdown. So, which of these apartments was your favorite? Would you actually buy one of them? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your choice. And here's another question. Which European city or anywhere else in the world would you like me to explore next for affordable property prices? If you enjoy videos about real estate, hidden property deals, and affordable homes across Europe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. If you're watching on your phone, there's another way to support the channel. After leaving a like, you can also tap the hype button. Every hype helps YouTube recommend this video to more people, and I truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time!